Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can set up the WooCommerce plugin. So you can integrate the WooCommerce plugin with any WordPress theme that is responsive, and I'm going to show how you can do that. For this tutorial I'll be using a theme called DK Insider. So it's a very simple theme and I just want to add WooCommerce functionality to it. So to do that, we'll go over to our plugins and click on add new as usual, and I'm going to come over here. So you go to the search bar and just type in WooCommerce. Okay, WooCommerce, and this is going to take a while, and this is the plugin we're going to be installing, this first one over here. So just click on the install now button, and it's going to take a while and get this to a server. And as you can see, there's some extra add-ons here. So if you want to make your WooCommerce more feature rich, you can add these extra features. But for this video, I'm just going to show you how you can set it up for a new website. So I'm going to click on the activate button to activate this, and WooCommerce comes with a very powerful installation wizard. So it's very easy to set up. You just need to answer a few questions and that's about it. So once you install it, it's going to take you to the wizard directly. So get your store up and running more quickly, blah blah blah. Just click on yes please. If you click on not right now, it's not going to continue with the setup. So I'm going to click on yes please over here, and I'll walk you through how you can set up the WooCommerce plugin. Okay. So the wizard changes with time. So right now this is the new layout. If you're using an older version of WooCommerce, you would notice that the wizard used to start like this. The wizard had a different layout before, so they're always improving this wizard, and in this version they're asking for your address first. So they're going to ask for your address. I'm just going to type in something random here. Let's say Nigeria or something. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to click, I'm setting this up for a client. So if you're the owner of the website, you can leave this unchecked, but I'm actually setting it up for someone. So I'll click continue and just click on continue. You don't really need to check this. This is just for usage tracking. Okay, so click on continue, and they're going to take you to the next step, which is industry. So this is more for electronics and computers, and I'll click on continue and get to the next step, which is product types. So most of our products are going to be downloads, so we're not really doing physical products for this tutorial. But if you want to do something concerning physical product, you can have this checked, or if you have both physical products and downloads, you can select that. Also, you can have things like subscriptions, membership, composite products, and bookings. So it really depends on what you're trying to build. If you use the subscription, someone has to pay per year and have access to certain products on your website or something like that. So WooCommerce is really good, and they've really improved the features over the years. So I'm going to click on continue and go to the next step. Okay, the last step is the theme. So they're going to ask you to select a theme, and by default WooCommerce comes with the storefront theme, which is a really nice theme for WooCommerce. But I already have my theme, and I already have my theme for the website, and you're going to see over here if the theme supports WooCommerce or not. So my theme does not support WooCommerce, so it doesn't have any extra styling. It doesn't mean that WooCommerce will not work with this theme. Just simply means that it's not really optimized for WooCommerce. So over here you're going to see more themes that are made for WooCommerce. You can choose any of these ones, and some of them are not free. You're going to have to pay, I guess, and we're just going to go with my default theme, but you can also choose this if you like. Okay, so continue with this, and I'm going to click on yes over here. So I have an extra plugin installed, which is Jetpack. So Jetpack integrates with WooCommerce to enhance the store, but I don't really need to do that. So I'm just going to click on no thanks, and that's about it. You have your WooCommerce website set up. Okay. All right. So it's going to give you some few stats. So right now it takes you back to the home dashboard of your WooCommerce plugin, and over here you're going to see total sales, orders, visitors, and views. So it starts collecting statistics immediately and gives you a free and gives you some tips. So over here, so after you're done with the first set of installations, you're going to go to the next one here. So you have a list of things you have to do. You have to add product, you have to personalize your store and set up tax, set up payment. So I'm just going to skip this, add my products and that, and go over to set up payments because that's more important. And we're going to use cash on delivery for this tutorial. So if you want to do something like PayPal, you can click here, or direct bank transfer. But to keep this tutorial simple, I'm just going to check cash on delivery. So you click on done, and that's about it. Then you can also set up tax. So if you want to set up tax and collect tax for specific countries, you can do that easily over here. So you simply insert a row and add the country, add the state code, postcode, city, and the tax rate, tax name, priority, compound, and if it's compound off, and you can also charge for shipping. So it's very easy to add tax. Tax is a little bit more complicated for new people, for new users of WooCommerce, so it's not really that necessary. So we'll go back to home, and I'm not really going to add anything here. I'm just showing you that it's possible to do that, and that should basically complete that. Let's go to personalize my store, and over here you're going to import products. Don't really have any products for this. A home page, I already have a home page. A logo, I already have a logo, so just click on proceed, and over here it's a store notice, and we don't really need the store notice, so you click on complete tax. So we're done with this. If you want to complete your setup tax, you're going to have to add at least one tax to complete this. And add products, the same, either you import products or you add manually, and or you migrate from an existing store. So that's just basically it for the setup. Once you're done with most of these things, your store should be up and running. So what that wizard did for us was it created some pages for us automatically. So I'm going to show you those pages quickly, because WooCommerce requires about 4 pages to be able to work properly. We have the cart page, checkout page, accounts page, and the shop page. So what WooCommerce did was it created it with my alongside my existing pages, so it doesn't tamper with any of your existing content. It just creates extra stuff. So this is a cart page, checkout page, and my account page. So that's basically it. You can add products by coming over here and adding product. I just wanted to show you how we can install the plugin itself and set it up, not how you can add products, because that's outside this tutorial. Okay, but it's very easy to walk through everything here, and I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel for more content, and you can leave a comment below if you have any questions concerning the video. And I guess I'll see you in the next one.